Good day, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we break down the charts every single week. Now, if you like money and you like crypto, make sure to like and subscribe. And let's get into the video. Now, on Bitcoin, we actually had a massive breakout in price. So, in this zone that we had actually been trading in within the last 2 months, we actually saw a massive breakout to the upside. And this move from the low to the high was actually about a 35% move. So, if 10x leverage, you could have made 350% on that trade. But where are we going from here, guys? Well, to answer this, let's have a look at some lower time frames. So if we actually go to the 12-hour time frame from a second, we can actually see some very key signals. So what we have here is we actually have a bearish divergence. So this is where our price action is actually making higher highs, but our momentum waves, guys, are actually making lower highs. So this indicates a loss in momentum, meaning that it is more likely than not that we are going to see a move to the downside. As well, another reason why I'm expecting a bit of a move down is if we actually have a look at our money flow, guys, we can actually see that the money flow is actually trending out of Bitcoin, and it's actually just crossed over into the red. Now, the money flow indicates the longer term trend, meaning that we are likely to have more of a cool off. So, what are the levels that I'm going to be targeting? Well, if we actually zoom out, guys, we can actually see a very key level here, which is my blue box. And this level is about around 31,500. Now, the reason it's a key level is because this is the level that we've been struggling to get over. And when we finally broke above this level here, we got a massive move to the upside. But in order for it to be a true breakout, we do have to come down and retest this zone to get a bigger move up. And another reason why I do believe we're going to come down is we have a look at some of these time frames like the daily. We can see that we're massively overbought on our momentum waves, and we are printing that red dot, indicating that this momentum wave is going to come down, but it is going to get us a bit of a move down. So, as well, guys, if I just zoom out for a second, let's go to the weekly. Now, when we pull out Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high, we can actually see that we actually rejected exactly off our 0.38, which is a very key Fibonacci level. So this is not something to be taken lightly. Coming up to such a massive level of resistance and then printing bearish signs with that bullish divergence, as well as all of our momentum indicators being oversold, I'm expecting a move down. I do think that we are most likely going to come down to this level and retest it as support before we can actually see a bigger move to the upside. And the level I will actually be targeting is actually going to be our golden pocket up here, which is actually at around $48,000. So I do think that if we come down and we can actually hold that as support, we could actually see a really big move up to the upside. And that's not something that is unlikely, guys. I do think that it is more likely because if we actually have a look at the previous cycle, so if we pull a Fibonacci retracement, we can actually see that we actually made a big move up from the low all the way up to the 618, which is what I'm expecting us to repeat again. Because I know not every cycle is the same, but they often rhyme, guys. So I do think that once we come down and we're able to reset some of these indicators like the RSI and the momentum waves, which are quite overbought on these charts, I do think that we could set ourselves up for another leg to the upside. So in the short term, I am currently in shorts at the moment, expecting that move down into this key level here around 31,000. And as you can see, guys, I'm currently up about 15% on my short, and I'll be looking to get out of my short at this level and then switch into a long. But besides that, guys, that's pretty much all I've got for today. So if you liked that video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.